What's up, guys? Animal Destroyer here, back with another video. And today, man, we're doing something pretty cool with my brother, Dark. Sorry, we're gonna be taking turns. I'm up first, and the second person that goes is gonna be Darkchase. We're gonna go practice mode and see how many times it took us who can complete it first. Okay? So whoever completes it first gets okay, if hold up. Ugh. This is real laggy. I don't like it that much. Okay, so
I think this might be backfiring our plans, and we might play something else.
yeah, but here's my first attempt. Whoever has the most attempts loses. This is real fun. Wait, what? I don't know. There we go. I got it. I'm practicing now. So this is pretty much my third attempt. But if I defeat it, whatever attempt I defeated, Darkshade has to beat that attempt and get lower than that attempt. But basing on his skills,
I'm probably gonna lose.
not to be mean, but like as he just said.
I'm not that well at Geometry Dash.
This is a real fun game. Oh my god, as soon as I say that. It's not hard, it's not easy. It's okay. Some people say that this is way too difficult. That is impossible. Sometimes I even get rage over a game. Come on. Oh my god. Oh. Here we go. It shows my attempt up there. It's like 22. Come on, come on, come on. I'm just spamming the jump button. Okay, here it is. This part is always difficult. If I'm messing up already, how many times will Darkshade mess up? Boom. Spam it. Raise up for sure. Come on, come on, come on. Hey. Look at that. It's low battery. Okay, so I might have to end the recording in a few times, but I'm posting, you know that I want to post daily. I want to keep this channel going. I just want to post like every day, but sadly I can't because I don't have enough time. I need to upload and everything. So I wish I could post pretty much anywhere at any time that I want. So without further ado, guys, peace out.
On 60 attempts. And Darkchade's playing now.
I'm gonna start out. Quick
Now
sell out. Subscribe.
Quick, Darkshade is not playing, which is me.
Quick sell out, guys. Subscribe.
He's just
Hit
messing
that
with
like button.
He's just messing with you. Oh my goodness, I was doing
I'll see you
I wasn't doing
in
practice.
the next one. Bye.
He's just messing with you.
No, I'm leaving. They're taking over.
Pretty hardcore lag.
Charge it when you pass it, and then let's go.
Chico, that's what I'm doing. Thank you. Right now, I'm going to try to go. Oh no. I'm pretty bad at the game. I hate the game that a lot. I don't like it. First of all, the game's super irritating. It's me, Darks, is playing right now. Sorry about my voice. Pretty sore today.
I just broke my tablet.
Wait. He just wants me.
Wait.
I'm trying to do the ultimate.
Can you put my stuff with me though? Okay, bye. Guys, bye. Peace out. I'll see you.
Do not forget to subscribe.
I'll see you in the